In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Discord rules screening. Rules screening is the built-in gate that asks new members to agree to your server rules before they can chat or send DMs. It's a simple way to cut down on spam and set expectations from the moment someone joins. Before you start, make sure your server has community features turned on, because rules screening only appears on community servers. Open your server settings and look for the option to enable community. Then click Get Started. A short setup wizard will guide you through recommended safety and discovery settings. Don't worry, this doesn't change your channels or roles. It just unlocks community tools like welcome screens, server rules, and moderation protections. Follow the prompts to finish the community setup, and you're ready for screening. Next, head back into server settings. On desktop or the web app, click your server name in the top left corner, then choose Server Settings from the menu. You'll need permission to manage the server, so if you don't see these options, check with an admin. Now navigate to the Rules Screening controls. Depending on the current Discord layout, you'll find them in Safety Setup. Look for the DM and Spam Protection section and edit it, or in a menu labeled Membership Screening, Access, or Server Rules. Discord's UI names evolve, but you're looking for the place where you configure server rules and require agreement from new members. Once there, turn on the option that says something like, Members must accept rules before they can talk or DM. Click Setup, then get started to enter your rules. You can use the examples Discord suggests, or write your own, and you can create up to 16 short, clear rules. Keep them specific and easy to understand. Think respectful conduct, no spam or self-promotion, appropriate content, follow platform guidelines, and any channel-specific expectations. Plain language works best, and you can always come back later to edit as your community grows. When you're satisfied, save your rules. After saving, make sure the screening toggle is turned on. This is the switch that actually enforces the requirement for new members. From now on, anyone who joins will see your rules as part of the join flow and must agree before they can speak or send DMs. Existing members aren't affected, and you can update the rules at any time. Updates will apply to future joiners. That's it, your rules screening is live. If people say they can't chat, double-check that community features are enabled and the screening toggle is on. Clear rules and a quick agreement step go a long way toward keeping your server welcoming and safe.